Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 20. We have completed while loop, do while loop, the difference between while loop and do while loop and infinite loop. Now let's discuss for loop, continue and the break statement. Okay, first we will see the for. This is the example program for loop. Here, this is the keyword for. And inside the round brackets, we have three statements. The first one is initialization statement. This is the expression. This is also the expression. Okay. Here, first this statement will be executed only one time. Okay. And here, this is the condition. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. Okay. And if it returns true means what happens? The control comes inside the for loop body. This is the body of the for loop. Okay. After the execution of these statements, the control again goes to this statement. Okay. Now I will be updated. So what is the flow? Execution flow of for loop means first this statement will be executed only one time. And here this is your expression or condition. This expression will be evaluated. If it returns true means only the control comes inside the body of the for loop. Okay. And after the execution of these statements, the control goes to this expression. The value of I will be updated. Okay. And again this expression will be evaluated. If it returns true means again the same process will be going on. But if this expression returns false means what happens? The loop will be terminated. Now let me execute this one. This is our output from 1 to 10. If I change this value to 4 means what is the output? We have to save and then execute this program. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4. When the I becomes 5, what happens? This expression returns 5 less than or equal to 4 returns false only. False means the for loop will be terminated. That's why we got only values from 1 to 4. I hope you all understand. So the next one, if we want to implement the infinite loop using for means we have to use this structure. Okay. So for, here I have 2 semicolons. Okay. And this is my body of the for loop. If I want to implement the infinite loop, we have to follow this syntax. Okay, now let me execute this one. Here, this hi is printed continuously without any break. Okay, that's why we can call it as the infinite loop. Now I want to terminate this means I have to manually press this icon. Then only the program is terminated. Okay, so if we want to implement the infinite loop, we have to provide like this. Okay, the next one, continue statement. Continue statement is used in the loop control structure when we need to jump to the next iteration of the loop immediately. Okay, this is the definition for continue statement. So in this example, we have used the continue statement. Here I have used the for loop. Okay, so this is the initialization statement, this is the expression and this is the expression. So you know the execution flow of the for loop. Now, this for loop prints the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, because here we have the condition I less than or equal to 10 and I value is initialized as 1. So, this loop prints the 1 to 10. But I don't want to print the 4th record or 4 number means what I will do, I have to use the continue statement like this. Actually this for loop will print the numbers from 1 to 10. But if I don't want to print the number 4 means I have to use the continue statement like this. Why we need means it is used in the control structure when we need to jump to the next iteration of the loop immediately. Okay, that's why we need this continue statement. What it will do, it will skip the rest of the statement. Okay, if this statement is executed means what happens? The following statements won't be executed. Okay, so what is the role of this continuous statement? It is used to skip the iteration, loop iteration. Okay, here in this example, I value is equal to 4 I have given. This is the condition. When the I value becomes 4, that means double equal. This double equal is the relational operator. Okay, when the I value becomes a 4, at the time this expression returns the true, okay, boolean value, and the control comes inside the if block and the continuous statement will be executed. So if the continuous statement will be executed means what happens? Following statement, okay, the rest of the code inside the loop won't be executed. Okay, so with the help of continuous statement, we can skip the iteration of the loop. So what happens? The 4 alone won't be printed. All the other numbers from 1 to 10 except the 4 will be printed on our console. Let me execute this one. Here 1, 2, 3, but 4 is not here. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here if I want to skip 4 to 6 means what I will do? So we already discussed the operators. AND operator and I less than or equal to 6 and greater than or equal to 4 means what happens? I don't want to print the numbers between 4 and 6. That means 4, 5 and 6. So in the previous case, we got this output. In this case, what is the output? Let me execute this one. Before, I have to save this one and then execute this one. Now, in between numbers, that means 4 to 6. So 4 is included because here I have the equal sign. So 4, 5 and 6. So these numbers are skipped. That's why we got 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so in which situation we have to use the continuous statements? If we want to skip some documents, skip in between documents or records, we can use this type of continuous statement. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.